Tired of boring, static portfolios? What if you could build a website that not only showcases your work but is a work of art itself? In this tutorial, we are going to build this stunning, fully animated personal portfolio from scratch. We'll be using HTML, CSS, and the power of Three.js to create something truly special. Ready to level up your portfolio? Let's get started. First, we'll lay down the foundation with clean, semantic HTML. We'll structure all our sections: the hero, about me, portfolio, blog, and a beautiful footer. A solid structure is key. Next, we'll bring it to life with CSS. I'll show you how to use CSS variables for a clean and maintainable color scheme, and we'll use Flexbox Grid to make the entire layout fully responsive, so it looks incredible on any device. Now for the magic. We're diving into Three.js to create this immersive, interactive particle background. I'll walk you through setting up the scene, camera, and renderer. We'll create thousands of particles and make them gently drift and react to the user's mouse movements, creating a parting the stars effect. It's an amazing way to add depth to your site. And there you have it. A complete, modern, and highly interactive portfolio for Gaurav Tripathi. You can find the full, commented source code linked in the description below. If you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more advanced web development content, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to build next. Happy coding!